What sets this vehicle apart, you might wonder? The Cybertruck goes beyond being merely an electric vehicle. It stands as a creation meticulously designed for the future of transportation. Constructed from the ground up, this stainless steel pickup truck boasts ultra-hard 30 times cold-rolled stainless steel, endowing it with not only robustness, but also resistance against dents and scratches. The windows are fortified with armored glass. Tesla, the manufacturer, asserts that this is an almost invulnerable exoskeleton, ensuring unparalleled durability and safeguarding for its passengers. Promising news has emerged for holders of Cybertruck reservations. Recent sightings of more spy photos surfacing online suggest that the electric vehicle is drawing closer to its release for sale. As we delve deeper into the details of the production vehicle, certain potential flaws are coming to light. The completion of Tesla's Cybertruck is on the horizon, as evidenced by the increasing frequency of its bold-bodied presence on the roadways. Only within the past few days have we been granted a glimpse into the interior of the Cybertruck and its distinctive rear light bar. This light bar ingeniously fuses the functions of taillights and blinkers. Additionally, images show units being transported on a trailer, seemingly returning from rigorous crash tests. After a 2-year delay and 4 years since its public announcement, the Cybertruck was manufactured within Tesla's Giga Texas factory. Tesla shared a snapshot of the unveiling on Twitter, a post that Elon Musk also retweeted, praising his Texas team for their dedicated efforts. The image captures employees gathered around the vehicle, showcasing segments of its rugged contours, expansive tinted windows, and the gleaming steel-clad car frame. Initially revealed to the world in 2019, the Cybertruck's debut has been eagerly awaited by Elon Musk, Tesla supporters, and enthusiasts alike. Although originally slated for release in 2021, manufacturing faced delays, ultimately pushing the timeline to 2022. Then, in June 2022, Elon Musk announced Tesla's goal of a commercial launch in mid-2023. The company appears poised to adhere to this latest timeline, aiming to officially unveil the initial model of the Cybertruck in late September 2023. Amidst the plethora of Cybertruck photos captured this year alone, a question lingers. Which of these models will make it into production? Additionally, curiosity arises about the extent of features and modifications integrated into this futuristic truck's design. It's evident that Tesla is ramping up the manufacturing of the Cybertruck at Gigafactory, Texas. Recent photographs emerging from the electric vehicle manufacturing complex strongly suggest that Tesla is inclined to maintain a high degree of secrecy around its newly produced Cybertrucks. These sightings have offered insights into several intriguing aspects of the Cybertruck, including its wheel design and tire dimensions. However, in light of the images recently obtained by dedicated Giga Texas observer Joe Techmeyer, it becomes evident that Tesla's most recent iterations of the Cybertruck exhibit some notable differences. Tesla observer Joe Techmeyer spotted an intriguing sight at Giga Texas: 9 Cybertruck units arranged in the outbound transportation area, all curiously concealed. Naturally, the motives driving Tesla's decision to cover these latest Cybertruck units remain undisclosed by the EV manufacturer. However, this move strongly suggests that Tesla is inclined to shield its recently produced Cybertrucks from the prying eyes of keen observers. Additional evidence of ongoing Cybertruck production within Giga Texas comes from photographs captured by a drone operator. Among these images, 2 pickup trucks stand out prominently due to their open trunks. These visuals collectively hint at the bustling activity surrounding the production of Cybertrucks at the Giga Texas facility. A Tesla Semi has been captured in photographs while towing a Tesla Cybertruck on a trailer. This event was widely reported across social media platforms, including TikTok and X, formerly known as Twitter. Notably, another Tesla Semi was observed in close proximity. However, it did not appear to be hauling any load. The remarkable aspect was the size of the Cybertruck itself, which occupied a significant portion of the Semi's trailer. Furthermore, the Cybertruck exhibited the absence of various trim components, ranging from the wheel wells to the rear light bar. Noteworthy scuff marks on the all-electric pickup truck indicated that it had undergone rigorous testing in demanding conditions. A parallel discovery was made when a passing motorist spotted an abandoned Tesla Cybertruck that had also undergone road testing. One instance featured a stranded Cybertruck on the roadside. Wayne encountered the disabled Cybertruck on the side of Interstate 280 El Monte exit in Los Altos Hills. At this location, a Tesla employee was engrossed in work beneath the hood. Upon Wayne's attempt to revisit the electric vehicle, he found that the employee had concealed the Cybertruck and departed, indicating that it had likely suffered a breakdown and necessitated retrieval by Tesla. Beneath the vehicle, the front bumper and what appears to be the structural battery pack were visible. Notably, the opening for the external speaker, required for the pedestrian warning sound, was also discernible in the left image. In addition to road and crash tests, the Cybertruck has already undergone winter testing in New Zealand. This is due to the fact that electric vehicle batteries tend to deplete more rapidly in cold weather compared to regular average weather conditions. The Cybertruck prototype was captured in photographs, adorned with a camouflage wrap, reminiscent of those seen during winter testing in California. These recent images, shared by Twitter user and Cybertruck enthusiast Gregor Truck, depict the prototype traversing a few inches of snow, suggesting that the weather conditions are not overly severe. The testing occurred at the Southern Hemisphere Proving Grounds on New Zealand's South Island. That being said, earlier this year, Cybertruck prototypes were also dispatched to Alaska. Furthermore, the initial units were transported to New Zealand in June, subjecting them to colder temperatures and more challenging weather conditions throughout the testing phase. In the month of July, within the same winter proving grounds in New Zealand, two Cybertruck prototypes displaying the numbers 604 and 512 on their sides were uncovered. At that time, we determined that 604 corresponds to the area code for Vancouver, Canada, while 512 aligns with the area code for Austin, Texas. However, the specific significance of these digits remains elusive. In the present collection of photographs, the camouflage truck showcases the label 535, which does not seem to correspond to an area code for any notable populated region. Thus, the meaning behind these numbers continues to elude us. However, another individual and his team managed to uncover a distinctive aspect of the Cybertruck. Vehicle teardown expert Sandy Munro gained a preliminary insight into the Tesla Cybertruck suspension system prior to anyone else. Sandy Munro alongside his team carry a meticulous examination to provide their initial observations of the Cybertruck's suspension system. These images, intriguingly, presented the front and rear suspension of Tesla's electric pickup truck for the first time since its unveiling in 2019. To me, it appears rather standard, commented Sandy Munro, followed by his remark, "There's nothing particularly remarkable about this." He pointed out that numerous products currently on the market bear a striking resemblance to Cybertruck's front suspension. One of the images prominently showcases the Cybertruck's front suspension tie rods. A tie rod comprises two components, the outer and inner segments. The outer tie rod attaches to the wheel hub, while the inner ties in with the steering rack. Adjacent to the front Cybertruck suspension lies an aluminum casting. This casting seems to be a low-pressure permanent mold-type die-cast element. According to Jordan's assessment, Munro and Jordan hypothesized that Tesla employed this aluminum casting for the front suspension to enhance the Cybertruck's crash safety. In the event of a frontal collision, a fracture occurs in a quarter of the front suspension aluminum casting, leading to the detachment of the wheel from the vehicle. When the Cybertruck executed a challenging U-turn, its handling garnered praise. Utilizing its all-wheel drive, the Cybertruck nearly pivoted on the spot as it deftly performed the U-turn in the captured video. "I've never witnessed a vehicle of this size execute such nimble maneuvers," Riot exclaimed. One observer noted, "It's truly remarkable how effortlessly and smoothly it accomplishes that." Another chimed in, attributing it to four-wheel steering in action. Yet another commented, "This feature will undoubtedly simplify parking within tight spaces, like garages." Amidst the anticipation surrounding the Cybertruck's arrival, it's imperative to keep certain expectations in mind. Some details are already known. The prototype of the Cybertruck was designed to accommodate 6 passengers, including the driver. However, during production, the inclusion of the middle seat was abandoned. Certain speculation suggests that this omission was driven by safety concerns, given the challenges of fitting a passenger airbag in the middle position. Nevertheless, a different perspective emerges from Jim French, a devoted Tesla investor and owner. According to French, the removal was necessitated by the need to reduce the truck's size to fit within standard garages. A noteworthy distinction emerges when comparing the Cybertruck's trunk capacity with that of the Ford F-150 Lightning, which boasts 14.1 cubic feet of storage along with a waterproof compartment suitable for use as a freezer. While the Cybertruck does exhibit a compact front overhang, hinting at a modest frunk, There remains the hope that Tesla's designers will devise a solution to provide more depth than currently seems feasible.